Guys, so today we are going to draw this diagram in the polar coordinate system. So here we can see, so this is the angle representation with respect to this line. Okay, with respect to 0, so this is the angle between 150, this is 60, and this is 90, this is 225, 270, and 315. So this should be remembered for when you are using the polar coordinate system. So now we will draw this in our AutoCAD, right? So for that we need to open our AutoCAD software. So after opening our AutoCAD software, we need to go to U1, enter. So now go to centimeters, cont 0, cont OK. So here we can see, so previously we have drawn this, right? Now we will draw this diagram. So now what we need to do, so we need to take the line command, right? So we need to take the line command first. Over here, click on L, enter, enter. So we need to specify one first point, right? So we will type at the rate 100, 0. At the rate 100, 0. So what we got? We got this one. So okay, now we will type on the ortho. Now we type at the rate 100 less than 0 degrees. Okay. So we have drawn our length of how much? 100. So it is of length of 100. Okay. So don't worry about these points. I will tell you later. Okay. Now the third point is how much? At the rate 70 less than 45. The rate 70 less than 45. Enter. So we have got this, right? So here we can see the angle of this is how much? 45. And over here, right? So now again this line 30 less than 90. So click on at the rate 30 less than 90. Enter. So we have got this. Okay. So now after that we need to add this. So it is of 135, right? So now 70 less than 135. So give at the rate 70 less than 135. Enter. So now we need to add this one of how much? 50 length. So it is on the plane, this plane. So it is 180. So again the rate 50 less than 180. On enter. So we have got this, right? So now we need to add this one, 7 to 8 points. Okay, so don't worry about these are the points. Okay, this is the first point, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, ninth, 10th. Then it is of 50 less than 270. At the rate 50 less than 270. Enter. So we have got this, right? Now we need to draw this one. It's of how much? 40 less than 315, right? So at the rate 40 less than 315. Enter. We have got this. Now this line 9th to 10th point. So it is how much? 80 less than 180. At the rate 80 less than 180. Enter. So we have got this. Or we can join over like this, right? Or we will select this one. So at the rate 50 less than 270. At the rate 50 less than 270. Enter and end. So we have got this, right? So here it has by using this polar. So now we will draw this by using a normal method, right? So click on, so how much, L, enter, select this line, this is of 100, enter, so we have got this, so ortho, so this is 45, so it is of how much length, 70, right? enter. Okay, and the next part is the straight one, right? This, right? So now we need to draw the straight line. So click on ortho on, right? So I have on ortho. So this is how much length, 30. So it is how much, 30, enter. So now we need to draw again this one, right? It is of how much length, 70. Now of the ortho, now we can select 150 or like this. Okay, see here, so it is connected with this one, right? So while you are drawing the angle, so we need to connect to this of how much, 130 of dimension of 70, enter. So then again we have to on our ortho. So if you go to the direct method, so this will be the regular process for always clicking on the on and off of the ortho. So it is of 50, right? So it is of 50, enter, and down also how much, 50, enter. Now close up of the ortho. So now we have to draw this one, right? So it is of how much, 314. So it is of how much length, 40, right? Of 40, enter. So now again you click on ortho, select the distance as, select the distance how much, 80, enter. So now join over here. So like this we can draw, but see, compared to this and this, it is going to be perfect one. If you see these angles, everything are different. So we should use which method? The polar relative coordinate method will be a good one for our this type of diagrams, right? So we need to select over this here, select the align, so like this we can see, right? Want to see any it's not dark, right? You want to see the angle, you can see here, right? It is a 45. Okay, so like this we can see the angle, right? So now this one much 135. So like this we can see the dimensions, or we can add the hatchings, right? Hatch enter. Then we can select this one, or okay, select a big point, select this one. So it says it's not closed, right? So we need to close this, right? Click on L enter. So I'm closing this by this line. Again go to H enter. We're going to select some this at material. Cont enter. Select this portion. Enter and OK. So here we can see the threadings, right? So this ether materials. So like this, we can draw this type of diagram using polar coordinate system. This is the main use of our system, right? Okay, so don't worry about it. So we can use this by using our polar coordinate system. Okay. So this how we can do these many types of diagrams. So in our AutoCAD, right? Gradient points like this one. Like this, we can add the shadings for this also. Okay. This is how we can draw the diagrams using coordinate system. Thank you.